Have you ever stopped to wonder what makes a person truly valuable? Is it the number in their bank account? The color of their skin? The power they hold over others? Society often bombards us with these ideas, creating hierarchies and divisions. But what if there was a different way, a more profound measure of worth? Islam offers a powerful and beautiful alternative. Over 1,400 years ago, a revolutionary message was delivered. The most honored person in the sight of God is not the wealthiest, the most attractive, or the most influential. The most honored person is the one with the most taqwa. Now, what is taqwa? It's a deep, beautiful concept often translated as God consciousness, piety, or a profound awareness of the divine. It's about the purity of your heart, the sincerity of your actions, and your constant effort to do good and avoid wrongdoing, all out of love and reverence for your Creator. It's something internal, something that can't be judged by outward appearances. A janitor can have more taqwa than a king, and a simple farmer more honor in God's eyes than a celebrated CEO. Think about the daily prayers in Islam. When Muslims stand for prayer, they form straight lines, shoulder to shoulder, foot to foot. In that moment, all worldly distinctions dissolve. A doctor stands next to a bus driver, an immigrant next to a native-born citizen, a person of one race next to a person of another. They bow and prostrate in unison, all equal before the one God. There's no VIP section, no special front row seats for the rich or powerful. It's a physical demonstration of a spiritual reality. In the grand scheme of things, we are all simply human beings, servants of the same Creator. This principle of radical equality is woven into the very fabric of the faith. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, declared in his final sermon, a message for all of humanity. An Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab, nor a non-Arab has any superiority over an Arab. A white person has no superiority over a black person, nor a black person has any superiority over a white person, except by piety and good action. Imagine that. A clear, uncompromising statement against racism and nationalism, delivered in the 7th century. It's a message that the world is still struggling to fully embrace today. Islam doesn't just preach equality, it institutionalizes it, reminding us 5 times a day that our true worth lies not in our status but in the state of our hearts. It's a timeless lesson in humility and unity, a blueprint for a just society where every individual is valued not for what they have, but for who they strive to be. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.